In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Marley Lilly promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Marley Lilly promo codes. Right here, go to couponfollow.com. And as you can see, we have a list with different promo codes that you can use. And for example, if I want to get a 10% discount on my next purchase, right here, I have this option with show coupon code. And if I'm going to tap on that, this is my discount code that I can use on my next purchase to get that 10% discount. Also, we can go to simplycodes.com right here, another website that I recommend. And for example, if you want to get this 20% discount of your next purchase, all you have to do is select right here, use code. And this is the discount code. You can copy this one and use it on the checkout on your next purchase in order to get that discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.